How to connect Exness to Metatrader 5. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your Exness account into your Metatrader 5 account. It's very simple. All you have to do is go into your Exness account, make sure that you're logged in using your passcode. Now, on your home dashboard, just go into Details, and then from Funds Settings, choose on Settings, scroll down a bit, and under Trading Platform Metatrader 5, under the server list, just simply copy it and then open up your MetaTrader 5 account. Now, once you fully open up your MetaTrader 5 account, ensure that you're already logged in, and then at the top left portion of your screen, you should be able to see three lines. Simply tap on Settings, and then on Settings, all I have to do from there is just by simply choose on New Account, and then on the next page, just simply search and look for Exness. Hit on Exness Brokers after searching it, and then you will be asked to input your Exness password. And from there, once you hit on Confirm, you should be able to connect your Exness account into MetaTrader 5. And that's basically it. That's how you connect Exness to MetaTrader 5.